The RIGOL S1210 EMI pre-compliance software is a PC application developed to ease conducted and radiated pre-compliance measurements when used in conjunction with the RIGOL DSA series Spectrum Analyzer. The software contains all of the associated drivers to connect remotely to your instrument. On the left side of the window, there are a number of labels that help to configure the scan and also monitor the performance of your system. The configuration summary shows all of the instrument settings, environmental, and other setup parameters that may be important to your final pre-compliance report. The Correction Config area displays the correction factors that are currently applied to the instrument. The available corrections can be tied to separate preamp, antenna, LISN, attenuator, cable, and correction array files. The Scan Config area contains two limit line selections, pre-scan detector and trigger modes, and trigger types. It also contains the final scan settings for the detector resolution, bandwidth, and trigger types. The Segment Config area is where you can configure each scan segment. It contains the start and stop frequencies for each step, sweep points, as well as the resolution bandwidth setting for each step. You can add and delete segments by simply right-clicking in the segment window and then entering the proper values in each field. The Graph Config area contains the axes control for the graphical display of the data. You can set the maximum and minimum values as well as set the frequency scale for log or linear. You can also set the amplitude units as dBm, dB microvolts, dB microamps, or dB picowatts. The Measure area displays the results of the scan. Here you can see the scan data, limit lines, as well as any peaks that are over the limit. The peaks are also indicated in the peak table located at the bottom of the page. The Report area allows you to add other data that may be important to your report, including environmental and test information. Once you have configured the test, you can use the main toolbar to control the steps of the test. Here you can start and stop the pre-scan and perform a peak search on the scan data. You can also use the Data Manager to create and edit correction files, as well as the limits. Once the test is complete, you can then use the print icon to issue a final report on the performance of your product. We hope that this video has shown you how the RIGOL S1210 pre-compliance software can efficiently help you solve your conducted and radiated pre-compliance issues and ultimately help you get to market faster. Thank you.